US President Donald Trump on Monday agreed to pause the proposed tariffs on Canadian goods for 30 days after holding talks with Canada's Prime Minister Justin Trudeau, who agreed to boost border security efforts. Trump had signed an executive order on Saturday confirming 25% tariffs on most imports from Canada and 10% on Canadian energy products, which was bound to go into effect from Tuesday midnight. However, Canada's Trudeau had threatened retaliatory tariffs, which raised the prospects of a broader regional trade war. In a statement on X, Canada's Prime Minister Trudeau announced that he held a good call with President Trump and pledged additional cooperation on border security. Trudeau said, and I quote, "Canada is implementing our $1.3 billion border plan, reinforcing the border with new choppers, technology, and personnel, enhanced coordination with our American partners, and increased resources to stop the flow of fentanyl." Nearly 10,000 frontline personnel are and will be working on protecting the border. Trudeau said that Canada would be deploying a 24/7 border vigilance, appoint a fentanyl czar, and list cartels as terrorists. He also informed that Ontario has launched a new intelligence directive on organized crime and fentanyl, and it will be funded with $200 million. In his X post, Trudeau said, and I quote, "Proposed tariffs will be paused for at least 30 days while we work together." Meanwhile, earlier in a phone call with Trump, Mexico's president also announced that the US president had agreed to pause 25% tariffs on Mexican imports for a month as the country promised to bolster its border enforcement efforts in response to Trump's demand to crack down on immigration and drug smuggling. Mexico's president agreed to reinforce its northern border with 10,000 National Guard members to stop the inflow of illegal migrants and drugs into the US. The US president, meanwhile, said, and I quote, "I look forward to participating in those negotiations as we attempt to achieve a deal between our two countries."